Hi. It's time to learn about tableware. Fork, spoon, chopsticks, knife, plate, saucer, bowl, cup, glass, mug, straw. Again. Fork, spoon, chopsticks, knife, plate, saucer, bowl, cup, glass, mug, straw. Again. Mug, spoon, straw, chopsticks, plate, knife, saucer, cup, bowl, glass, fork. Practice. Fork, fork, fork. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Chopsticks, chopsticks, chopsticks. Plate, plate, plate. Knife, knife, knife. Saucer, saucer, saucer. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Cup, cup, cup. Glass, glass, glass. Mug, mug, mug. Straw, straw, straw. Let's review. What tableware is this? Saucer. What tableware is this? Glass. What tableware is this? Fork. What tableware is this? Straw. What tableware is this? Chopsticks. What tableware is this? Spoon. What tableware is this? Bowl. What tableware is this? Knife. What tableware is this? Cup. What tableware is this? Plate. What tableware is this? Mug. Let's review. Which one is the knife? This. Which one is the glass? This. Which one is the saucer? This. Which one is the bowl? This. Which one is the plate? This. Which one is the straw? This. Which one is the cup? This. Which ones are the chopsticks? These. Which one is the fork? This. Which one is the mug? This. Which one is the spoon? This. Last review. Mug. Spoon. Straw. Chopsticks. Plate. Knife. Saucer. Cup. Bowl. Glass. Fork. Good job.
Bye!